Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Start by focusing on your breath. Imagine a golden light entering your body with each inhale, filling you with calm and peace. Now, bring your awareness to your body, starting from the soles of your feet. Imagine roots growing from your feet and into the ground, anchoring you and connecting you to the earth. As you continue to focus on your breath, imagine the golden light flowing up your body, filling you with peace and calm. Visualize a golden light surrounding you, creating a protective bubble that shields you from any stress or negative energy. Take 3 deep breaths, inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. take a moment to notice how you feel and allow that feeling of peace and calm to stay with you. Thank you for taking this time for yourself.